let's jump into the library section of ProPresenter 7. ProPresenter 7 allows you to have multiple libraries all in this same section, and you can organize all your different presentations, whether they be lyrics, whether they be slideshows, whether they be scriptures, all into their own independent library folders, okay? So to do that, all we need to do is plus, and we can create a new library. So here, same way we create presentations, playlists, all that stuff, but let's just start with the library. We go to create a new library, gives us a new library. I'm gonna call this one songs, okay? So we've got our songs folder. In this folder, you could load up all your songs that you're gonna have, and that could be an entire database. It could be about 500-600 songs. It could be 1,000 songs. So you can separate your songs, and then another one, I don't need my default. I'm gonna rename this. If I just right click to scriptures. So here I can store all my scriptures in individual presentations. So if I've got a speaker and they have 20 scriptures, they're all enclosed in one presentation. It also means that this library contains the file that I would want to save and send to another campus who is following along with my scriptures. So it's a really good way to organize your scriptures, to be able to have them available, to pull them up and run that service again if ever needed, wherever it needs to be run. So your last folder there would be your presentations, and that's to hold all the other parts of your service, whether that is your offering, the salvation, MC moments, pre-service things, you've got your baby dedications, all those kind of things that you wouldn't fit into a scriptures or a songs category. That's where you can hold all that and just keep a very clean interface as you go through, and that's going to help speed things up and also help find things later on. And then if we go down, you've got your playlist. So this is where you would build your service. So here, I've just done a couple of quick ones here. You've got your sisterhood and your weekends. Underneath that, so these are folders, and this is what's really cool about this, is you can have folders of playlists and organize your things as per your week. So if I've got sisterhood on during the week, I would have a folder there. Inside that folder, I might have a playlist, and I might create a new playlist. So go up at the top here, add new playlist. It's going to add it into the sisterhood folder because I had that selected already. We're just going to rename this to sisterhood. And because sisterhood runs weekly, it runs pretty much the same every week. I'm just changing out a few images, but probably 70% of the content I'm using is the same. Then my template doesn't actually change too much. My playlist doesn't actually change too much. It's very much the same week in, week out. I'm just swapping out a few things. And the same goes for your weekends. So you might have Sunday AM, Sunday PM. If you have a Friday night service, a Saturday night service, you might have those as well. And you might have another folder there for youth. So that is your library and your playlists all in one. Now we'll also provide you some downloadable templates of playlists that you can use and run through. And I like to organize my playlists as per the service flow. Therefore, as you're going through a service, all you need to do is click next, 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 and you're pretty well good to go. Now, these playlists we'll talk through later on, but these playlists can be designed and set up in a matter of minutes to be service ready in a matter of a few minutes. So have a look through that, play with your libraries, play with your playlists, and see what you can figure out what works for you. But I suggest always think, be organized, be logical, and keep it clean.